Eggs.
What eggs?
Eggs?
Do you want eggs? What if I meet somebody and then I will let that person drive me? Meron na tayong isang winner. Congratulations! Sit. That's not sit.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Hello po guys! Ito guys, i-announce na natin tong winner. But bago natin i-announce, of course, pipili tayo ng isang winner. But ang dumi ng glasses ko. But anyway, so pipili tayo ng isang winner guys. So yun, dito tayo sa website na, alam na yung website na kung saan tayo pipili ng random winner. Guys, itong pipiliin natin guys is galing siya sa video na nag-announce ako ng giveaway. So doon tayo kukuha ng winner. So yun lang guys, pipili tayo and let's keep on watching kung sinong mapili. Okay? Okay. Okay guys, meron na tayong winner. Congratulations! Gusto ko si Tommy sana yung mag-announce kung sino yung winner. Pero wala siya dito. Tawagan natin siya.
What's going on?
Nothing, just calling you.
Yeah. Eggs.
What eggs?
Eggs?
Do you want eggs?
Do I want eggs? No.
Honey. Han, I have something, Han, to tell you.
Is that?
I'm so bored here.
Huh?
But I was planning, I was checking last night a website or where to go, like, you know, like drinking bar, like a bar.
Yeah.
And there is one in
Yeah. Okay. So they want to bargain. Sad.
I want to go.
No.
What?
What?
You're not mad?
Go ahead, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Your reaction is like, go ahead, Han.
Well, you want to go drinking? Fine.
Fine, I'll go.
But, okay, pull over, drive and ask you to have a few drinks, though. Because you'll be sitting over there, because I won't be able to come up there and get you out of jail. Yeah.
What if I meet somebody and then I will let that person drive me?
Well, we can do that. What?
Wow, you don't care, baby.
Oh, yeah.
My baby doesn't care.
Don't care what. You want to go have a few drinks in a bar?
Yeah. Can you announce the winner now?
Hang out for later, no.
Huh?
No, I'm over here. You're over there.
Han, I'm just pranking you. I'm just joking with you when I said I go to the club. Bar. Okay, guys. That's Phil. So, he doesn't care, guys. He doesn't care if I go, guys. I'm going to think to prank him in different way. So, tignan natin kung mapaprank natin siya sa ibang paraan, guys. Kasi parang ayaw talaga niya. Tignan natin, ipaprank natin yan. Mag-isip ako kung ano yung magandang prank para sa kanya. And tignan natin. But anyway guys, ayaw niyang i-announce kasi weird daw. Nandito tayo sa telephone. And so gusto niyang i-announce person. But ako na lang yung mag-announce. So, congratulations to... Sounds. Okay guys, may isa na tayong winner. Ito yung $100 na giveaway ko. So, meron na tayong isang winner. Congratulations! So, Margs Samante. Hi sis Margs! Ikaw yung napili. And thank you so much guys. I'm sorry. Isa lang yung nabigay ko, isa lang yung winner, and I really appreciate guys sa time ninyo. Thank you all guys so much for, cooperating, sharing the video, liking and watching the video guys. Thank you guys so much. Please, huwag kayong manghinayang guys kasi meron naman mahilig. Mag-giveaway pa naman tayo guys, pero hindi natin alam kung kailan. Pero for sure, magpag-giveaway na naman kami next time with ni Tami. And I really appreciate guys sa time talaga ninyo na binigay sa video, sa channel ko. And you're always here to watch my vlog. Kahit, ilan-ilan lang tayo. And I really do appreciate guys. But anyway, Margs Samante, please sis Margs, send me a message ha. Private message. Kung hindi sa Instagram, sa Facebook, doon lang talaga. And meron akong hingin sa'yo na talagang ikaw yun. And yun. So doon na lang tayo mag-usap sa Facebook Messenger, okay? And yan guys, and sabihin mo sa akin kung saan ipadala, sa Pilipinas ba? And so yun lang guys. Thank you guys so much guys. Meron na tayong winner. And sa next giveaway natin guys, sa load. Next time guys, when Tammy is here, I will let Tammy announce guys. Sa load, pipili ako ng mga winner dun sa Facebook at sa YouTube. And yun lang guys, dito lang tayo. And I really do appreciate guys. Thank you guys. Pasensya na guys. See you in my next video guys. Sana andito pa rin kayo kahit hindi kayo nanalo. Anyway, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Like the video. Bye-bye. Hello. Late na akong nakapag-vlog. And yeah, nag-i-edit ako ng mga videos ko. Naglalaro din ako guys. Nagluluto ako ng alimango. Paalang ito ng mga alimango, mga claw. Ginataan ito guys, ginata. So, gata siya. May mga konting vegetables lang. Nawala yung gulay guys. Puro siya alimango. Imumukbang natin yan mamaya. Meron na tayong winner. And yun. Naglalaba din ako kasi mga labahan. Ito yung ginamit kong tripod para sa ko. Laba tayo. Tapos na guys, na lang, kunin ko na lang yung sa taas. Tawag nito yung lalagyan ng mga malinis na damit na bagong laba. Dito muna siya. Oh my god, it's very sunny out pero ang ginaw sa labas, yung temperature is 29 ngayon. Maginaw siya. Okay, coming in. Come in. Dada's here. Dada. Atik ra gani ba? Tuod dayon ba? Tuod dayon atik ra. Atik ra man god. No, it's atik lang oy. Mamas atik-atik ba? Mamas atik-atik raman na, oy. Get down, Mitch. It smells good, Rox. Tingnan nyo na. Gustong-gusto ni Roxy. Look. Naamoy mo yan, Rox? Sobrang sarap, di ba, Roxy? Naamoy? You amoy-amoy, the vegetable. There is some vegetables over there. It's really good. Dada, you get it? Dada's here. You go get him. Yeah, Dad. You go get him. Hello? Nakikinig yan, guys. Dada's here, baby. You go get him. Seryoso man, it is. Si Mama, oh, you're a joker, Mama. Roxy, come. Oh, napakita ko na ba sa inyo, guys? Di ba naglagay ako ng nilagay ko yun dito yung fairy light. Yun. Diba? Yun. And, ang nakakatawa guys is, nilagay ko yung painting ko doon. Yung paint ko nakakaluka guys. Itapon ko man yan guys. Kaluka. Pero ito, ayaw kong itapon. Dyan lang yan. So yun. Ito yun. Diba? Ang ganda. As in. Pero gusto kong lagyan ng painting doon. Para hindi flat tignan. Kasi sobrang flat siya. And wala na tayong green screen. Ayan. Ito na guys. Let's go downstairs. Where is Roxy? Hi, baby. Hello, box. Ooh. Seafood na seafood ah. Maganda yung sabaw. Ang problema nito is wala akong pang crack sa cloth. Scissor na lang yung gamitin natin. Diba, Rox? Kapag nilagay ni Mama yung pagkain doon, listen, Roxy, come. Roxy, listen. Roxy, come over here. Come. Sit. You sit down. Roxy, sit. Roxy, sit. Roxy. Roxy, come here. Sit. Come here. Come to Mama. Sit down. No, I said sit. Sit. That's not sit. When Mama put the food down, you have to eat it, okay? Every time Mama put the food on the floor, you will eat it. Because if you don't eat it, listen to Mama. You have to hintay yourself. Misty? You listen to Mama? Did you listen to Mama? What is it? You are the cutest face in the whole universe. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are the cutest. Ito, nag-ano ako kanina, guys. Nag-defrost pala ako ng ano dito. Ano ba? Ito, turkey. Ito, guys. Para yan sa pusa at aso. So, I think defrost na siya. Okay na. Ito yung i-mix sa pagkain nila. Yan. I-mix natin yan. Hi, little boy. Hubs. Hubs. Are you hungry too? Are you hungry? Are you hungry, baby? Hey. Are you hungry? Aloy. Aloy, aloy, aloy. 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 Ganyan yan, guys, kapag gutom, gusto nang kumain. Irarab niyang katawan niya everywhere. Right, little man? Look, he's rubbing his body everywhere. Because, or else, they won't see the baby. It's gonna be the other side. Okay, I'll just unbox one speaker here. One box of speaker, the one that you buy outside.
Yeah, why you unboxing it?
Because I want to put in the filming room. And, well, you're not using it for now, so what the heck?
Putting it in your filming room?
Yeah, maybe I can use it for music. If you use it, it's here. While you're not using it, why not you're not using it? The only problem is I don't know how.
Well, it's just not like iPod speakers. But okay.
Amplifier. You use this one outside, and you use the laptop only. Connect it to the laptop. That's it.
Wrong. I put an amplifier into it.
You did.
Yes.
Because it's like you buy it and you're not using it. Anyway. No, I don't know how to put it back. Good luck to me. Good luck to you, Tommy. You have to put it back when you get here. There you go. Hi, Tommy. You have to use all this thing.
Let's find ourselves.
What's wrong with my iPad? Okay, guys. I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Good night, guys. Ano na, guys? 7:30 na ng gabi. Anyway, guys. Bye. Congratulations again, sis. I will see you guys. Bye-bye. I hope you like this video. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.